Right, here we have the Mercedes-Benz S500L, because look at the length of that bad boy. It is massive, and this is huge, huge, huge spec. So this is a Premium Plus Executive, because it has got the Executive rear lounge. Come around the car, you'll see the diamond turn multi-spoke wheels. They're all much for the exterior look on these cars, these S-classes. But the way you've got these of luxury travel is when we get to the interior, because that's when this car gets super, super interesting. But exterior-wise, you just need a couple of wheel refurbs. It's a 2018 car, one former keeper, two-owner car. It's only done 35,000 miles, so it's not done many miles whatsoever. Private plate has been retained on this vehicle. So let's get into this interior. Look at this, long wheelbase, puddle lights, interior bits, executive rear lounge. So this has got the tables we've got out there, the rear screen, and just two seats in the rear, which has obviously, you've got all the blinds, you've got the reclining seats in there. This car is, if you want to be driven to a meeting, this is a car, airport runs, things like that. This is awesome. Isofix seats as well. Jumping into the front of the car, so these seats are so comfy. Puddle lights again, Bearmeister sound system, electric, everything, electric seats, heated seats, vented seats. It really does have a multi-function steering wheel. These cars come fully loaded. So S500L, Executive, Premium Plus, Executive rear lounge. What a tongue twister. There you go. What a special car. Only done 35,000 miles. Come and see us at Scott Hardy Automotive. Thank you.